Let me get a lemon pepper order, please. You gotta have a link before you order these. Docking jet skis in the Florida.
So you want to make some wings, right? Wait, hold on. I'm not babish. Oh, I should have adjusted the camera. If you want to make some wings, well, you come to the right place because let me tell you, they're probably going to be the best tasting wings you've ever had. I'm a little late to the trend, but let's make some lemon pepper wings.
Hi, I'm Marquise, and to be honest, I first saw these wings on Atlanta, the show Atlanta that is on FX, which is filming once again, finally. But those wings were lemon pepper wet wings that glue in the box. Glowed? Oh my god. That glowed in the box. They glowed in the box. So I figured I would give them a shot, because they're wings, and wings are pretty easy to make. Technically, those are lemon pepper wet wings, which is just lemon pepper and buffalo sauce, which is a secret. But then Drake dropped Lemon Pepper Freestyle, which I guess isn't really about wings. I didn't listen to the song. As the internet is, everyone wants to try lemon pepper seasoning, which I'm not really complaining about because lemon pepper seasoning is top tier, and it's getting the recognition it deserves.
Now, out of all the places I usually get wings, they're not always the greatest wings. Don't get me wrong, Wingstop and Buffalo Wild Wings and etc., they're decent wings, but they're only decent at best. But there's just something about making wings yourself that make it taste that much better, Plus, wings are like a universal item. You can eat wings with fries, tater tots, celery, and carrots if you're one of those people. So let's go and just make some really bomb wings. How does one start a cooking video?
Step 1, you need wings. I got about 3 pounds of wings, so the recipe is based on that. Adjust depending on how many wings you have. Make sure you rinse and pat your wings dry. You'll need the following ingredients: lemon pepper, which is the most important, baking powder, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, dry thyme, oregano, a lemon.
You're supposed to have garlic too, but whatever.
And butter. Now you could also add salt and black pepper if you want. I would say lemon pepper seasoning is already pretty salty. Step 2, add your ingredients into a large bowl with the wings. Mix it well and make sure everything is incorporated. Step 3, and this is the most important, let the wings sit, marinate. Put them on a baking sheet and place them in the fridge. You can leave them for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight for best results. I'm not exactly sure why they say overnight. Most recipes just say that. Regardless of what you choose, you have plenty of time on your hands now. Clean up the kitchen, learn a new skill, browse Twitter, call some friends, play some video games.
You are up to something.
Do not question my power, Hades.
Oh shit. They must have some crazy sex. Why did I say that?
You can go back on Twitter and see what's trending. And you can see another black person killed by the police. Again, the police thought they were doing something suspicious and things escalated. And they went home. All signs point to the cops doing everything wrong. They made the wrong calls and now there's another innocent person dead. The cops were put on administrative leave. Paid. No cop arrested. They died because they looked suspicious. The 5-letter word for suspicious. How aren't cops arrested? They straight up murdered somebody. Just because someone looks suspicious? What the hell does that even mean? They look just like you. This could have been you. Have you ever felt protected when you were around a cop? You always felt scared. You scroll more and you see that people are talking about the murder. Wait, there are more murders? Holy shit, 5 hangings? Ruled as suicide? What? How? How does a cop mistake a taser for a gun? How? How isn't anybody talking about this? Oh god, the murder trial for George Floyd is happening. Should I watch it? Is anyone watching it? Why are people posting about going to the beach? Do they not care? Are the protests still happening? Oh man, this dude is gonna get a not guilty verdict. Another protest is gonna happen. And then with the police throwing tear gas and disrupting the peace they so claim to protect. And they aren't even wearing masks. There's still a whole ass pandemic happening. What's gonna kill me first, the police or a virus? Fuck, you can't keep reading this. You know how you get nosebleeds when you're stressed out. But how can I not talk about it? It's happening everywhere. George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Tamir Rice, Elijah McClain, all their lives, all of them were just living their lives and they were cut short for nothing. For nothing. Why does America hate you so much? This country is all that you know and it hates you. Is there even a future for you? Because by the looks of it, you're a 24-year-old black man and the only way people will remember you is if there's a hashtag in front of your name. Step 4, make the wings.
Black Lives Matter.